Hello, today we're going to find the area of each figure. We're going to work on number 2, number 4, and number 6 today. I'm going to zoom in on number 2 so you can see it a little bit better. And we're first going to go around the perimeter and we want to see what sides are missing so we can find those lengths. So I have a length of 14 on this side, a length of 8, a length of 3, a length of 5. I'm not for sure about that length. I'm not for sure about that length, a length of 3, and I'm not for sure. So we want to figure out our question marks first. So the first one that I'm going to start with is 8. So I've got a length of 8 over here. What side is opposite of that? This side over here. And guess what? Their heights are the same. So this is now an 8. Then I want you to find out this one right here. Well, I do know that the whole length parallel from it is 14. I do know from here to here is 3, and from here to here is 3. So if I add my 3 and my 3, I get 6. I'm not going to add 6 to this. We're not making this line any longer. I'm actually going to subtract. And I get 8. So this now is an 8. Over here, on this side, I have a length of 5. So this side is also 5. Now I have the lengths all the way around. So now I can break my pieces apart into shapes of rectangles so I can find the length and the width. So 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 3 is also 24. I'm not going to use 14 because that would go from end to end. I only need this piece right here. I'm going to shade it so you can see. So I remember it's an 8, but I'm not for sure about the height. Well, the top part was 5. The whole length on the other side is 8. So this one is 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. So they all have an area of 24. So if I take 24 times 3, or 24 plus 24 plus 24, I get 72. So 72 inches squared. All right, let's zoom in on the yellow one. All right, so the yellow one, I see a rectangle up here with a length of 12 and a length of 6. 12 times 6 is 72. But then I have a triangle. Well, the length is still 12, but I'm not for sure about this piece right here. However, I knew over here, from here to here was 6. So from here to here would be 6, but the whole thing is 9. So you guessed it, this is a 3. Now the crazy thing about triangles is after you multiply, you have to divide by 2 because it's half of, in this case, half of a rectangle. So 26 divided by 2 is 18. So now I'm going to take 72 plus 18 and I get 90 centimeters squared. And the last one I'm going to model is number 6. Number 6, Mrs. Gertis already told us she did our math for the trapezoid because we haven't learned that formula yet. There will be a formula, you'll learn about that in 7th grade. So she already told us the area of this is 27. So quickly, I see that this is a rectangle. Length times width is 5 times 10, which is 50. So now I'm going to add 50 plus the 27, and I get 77 millimeters squared. All right, I hope that video helped a little bit. Good luck with number 1, 3, and 5. Make sure you submit it when you're finished.